Hello Java class. This quick tutorial is going to run you through getting started with Eclipse. Before you get started, you want to make sure that you have the Java Development Kit 8 installed and the latest version of Eclipse. Both links for those are out there in the announcements for our course in Blackboard. To begin, we're going to start by creating a Java project, and we'll want to put in a descriptive name. I'm going to call mine Hello Java Class and keep all these things as default and finish. Once I click finish, it's going to create a project workspace, and inside there I'll find a source folder where it will keep my files at for this Java class or Java project, and it also gives me access to the GRE library, which we are going to talk about later. Next, I need to create a class, file new class, and I need to give my name of my class a descriptive name of what the project is going to do. We're going to talk more about classes on down the line, so don't worry if you don't understand what a class is yet. But one thing that we need to create is this public static void main. And what this guy does is tell Java where to start our program. We'll talk about what all that public static void main means first. After I create my class, I need to insert comments in here with my name. Do that right before the public static void main. Or, I'm picky, I always like things to look nice. You can just use the two comments and put in your name like that. Either one will work. And I'm just going to delete this extra description here, and we're going to use our system.out.println to write hello world or hello Java class in our case. Whenever you start typing in Eclipse, it gives you the option to turn on intelligent code completion, so it will try to figure out what you're trying to say. This is convenient for some people it's a pain, so you can decide if you want to configure that to use the code recommendation or not. After my system.println, we need two brackets, and you can see, or two parentheses, you can see whenever I type one of them that Eclipse is smart enough to go ahead and put in the other one. So I'm just going to type in my string and press tab to get to the end, and all my Java statements need to end in a semicolon. Up here, this little star indicates that you've not saved it, so you can either hit Control S or Command S on your Mac and save it, and then run the file. Running is this green run button up here. It'll run it. It's going to compile it for us automatically, open up the console, and put the text in there. If you did not save it prior to running, it will pop up with a message and ask you if you want to save it before you compile it. And the answer will be yes, and then the console again will open and you'll see your statement down here. And that will get you started in using Eclipse for our Java class.